For the ones that have to have it, that want to save money and have to have that EGR system on there, the FASS EGR filter is for you. All right, we ended off with the 6.7 Ford back here. Tell me what we're looking at here.
This is basically the complete system of a 6.7 Cummins, 07.5.
Okay.
Plus is about the same thing. If you look at the intake horn, that's the last stop before it goes into the engine. It's, you know, pretty plugged up, not plugged up, but coated with soot.
That's exactly what I looked at, you know, what I remember looking at exhaust and intake valves. Well, now, how many miles are on this engine?
I am told 120,000. This was off of someone that we know, so that's pretty accurate. But you know, the grid heater is fully coated, starting to get some buildup just in the corners here. I mean, you can scrape off.
Now, if you can scrape that off, that stuff will come off just like fine dirt.
Yeah, and it's just showing how much is actually going through. You know, I've seen pictures of where these grid heaters are almost completely plugged up. I've never seen one in person, but it does happen.
But you have all this in here also.
Yeah, but finer
right
in here.
Right.
And even we don't have a Cummins EGR cooler, but it's you know, very similar to the face of that.
I'm just feeling how gritty that is. Okay.
And you know, this is the underside of the intake, so you know it's plugging everything, or you know, coating everything.
And just does that to the valving and just on through the engine.
Yeah, I mean the backside of your intake valves, these aren't, you know, these are direct injected engines, so they don't have anything washing the the intake tracks or the valves off like some of the older gas engines.
Okay. So you're looking at 720,000 miles if you started off with the FASS EGR filter on there to get to this point.
Correct.
How many people usually keep their trucks 3/4 miles, their pickups?
Not very many.
So
unless you're a hot shotter, which this is a perfect product for, you know, they rack up some miles.
Yes. Go to FASSEGRsolutions.com.